distinguished guests, respected faculty, proud parents, friends, and my fellow graduates. Good evening, everyone. My name is Shubham Pun, and I'm graduating from BSc Hons in Cybersecurity from graduating class of 2025. Today is a very special day for all of us. After years of hard work, sleepless nights, and countless assignments, we are finally here. Graduating. This moment reminds us that every late night, every challenge, and every effort was worth it. First, I want to thank our teachers and mentors. You have guided us with patience and shared your knowledge. You helped us not to just study, but to understand, to think, and to grow. You encouraged us to question, to explore, and to always aim higher. We truly appreciate everything you have done for us. To our families and friends, thank you for your endless love and support. You stood by us through the long study sessions, the stress, and the doubts. You reminded us to keep going, even when we felt tired or unsure. Your belief in us gave us strength, and we couldn't have done this without you. To my classmates, thank you for all the wonderful memories. We worked together, laughed together, and somehow managed to survive those tough deadlines together. Beyond the classroom, our extracurricular activities, the events, clubs, and fun moments brought us even closer. We learned teamwork, leadership, and the importance of enjoying the little things along the way. Those experiences will always stay with us. Studying cybersecurity and digital forensics has taught me so much more than technical knowledge. It has taught us patience, problem solving, and how to think critically. It has shown us how to stay calm under pressure and how to find solutions when things seem impossible. These lessons will help us not only in our careers, but in life. As we step into the next chapter, let's carry forward what we've learned. The skills, the friendship, the memories. Let's stay curious, keep learning, and use our knowledge to make a positive difference. And as we move on, let's not forget the people and moments that made this journey special. The laughter, the support, the lessons, they're what this day makes so meaningful. And lastly, I would also like to say a special thank you to my dear friend Arush Shrestha, whom we sadly lost this year. Arush was with me since day one. Through every moment of laughter and struggle, from our basketball games where he taught me how to play, and I still couldn't defend him, still now, to every college event where he played the guitar and filled the room with his amazing voice. His presence always brought light and happiness to everyone around him. Though he's no longer with us, his spirit, kindness, and memories will always stay in our hearts. Thank you for bringing joy, music, and friendship into this journey. You've been a big part of my college life, and I'll always be grateful for that. Thank you once again to everyone who has been part of this chapter, our teachers, families, and friends. Congratulations to the graduating class of 2025. We did it, and the best is yet to come. Thank you.